After many, many months of teasing and probably years of waiting, we are finally launching our new Woolies designs. We have 4 new Woolies joining the collection. And these kits, to me, epitomise everything the Fabled Thread is about. They are beautiful, easy to stitch, fun to do, and any one of you hang it on your wall, people will not think it came from a kit. You know, these are works of art. And because they're all based on the heritage tradition, the 18th, 19th century tradition of Sailors' Woolworks, it means they feel like they've got that heritage to them. So I always think they're sort of like heirlooms in the making. These will be as relevant today as they are in 100 years' time. And so as part of the new collection, we've sort of got 2 minis, 2 wide landscapes, and I think 2 different styles. We've got Steadfast and Sovereign of the Sea, which are more your classic woolly. They're inspired very much by the traditional ones. But then I've gone a bit rogue, and I've also got these ones which are very much a Fabled Thread take on Woolies, and it's almost that combination of a 1930s sporting poster with the tradition of a woolly. So this one feels like it could as much be a kind of poster for Cows Week as it is an old-fashioned woolly. The smaller ones perfect fit into smaller spaces, because I know that was the complaint a lot of people had about Nautilus and Calypso, was just they didn't have space for them. So anyway, these are my favourite kits I think we've ever done, my favourite to stitch, and I hope you enjoy them. Head to the website and you can see them there now.